What is going on, everyone? Marc Guberti here, and in this video, we're going to talk about 5 different ways you can get more subscribers for your YouTube channel. And if you like the idea of videos that help you grow your YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe to this one for more videos that help you do just that. So when it comes to getting subscribers on YouTube, it's really momentum. It's really hard in the beginning, but once you have enough people come on, you've got the engagement, then it just starts to snowball. So regardless of where you are, whether you're starting to see some momentum or you just like to see any type of traction, it is always good to continue to take action in different ways that helps you gain more subscribers. So we'll be sharing you different ways to do that right now. The first way to get more YouTube subscribers is to publish videos consistently and frequently. The great thing about publishing videos more often is that each video is something that people can find in YouTube's algorithm. So when someone types in a keyword, there's a chance that one of your videos shows up if it's the right keyword. And if you are creating more videos, you're just giving people more chances to find you on the YouTube algorithm. So it's good for some people to shift from once a week to twice a week to 3 times a week. Some people may do stretches of daily content because that's going to increase their library of content and increase the potential of people discovering what their YouTube channel is all about. The second strategy to grow your subscriber base on YouTube is to promote on other platforms. So tell everyone on Facebook, make each of your videos like an event that people kind of want to learn more about. So on Facebook, post about it. Do a personal post. On Instagram, do an Instagram story. Instagram stories are a great way to promote any piece of content you create, and you may not want to create an Instagram post for everything, but a story you certainly can. And if you have the 10,000 followers, you do get swipe up. There are also some tricks on Instagram where you point to the picture on your bio, something like this, and then people click on your icon and then they go to your profile. They can click on the link in your bio. So there are ways. You just do this in your Instagram story, and then you don't need to have swipe up to get the same effects. And this also goes for posting on LinkedIn, posting on Twitter. LinkedIn's great if you have a business-oriented audience. If you do, you should definitely be on it. But think about what your existing platform is and use all of those resources, especially your email list, to promote each new video and have that call to action to subscribe. Speaking of that call to action, you're going to want to keep telling people to subscribe at the beginning of every video, at the end of every video, and in the middle sometimes when it makes sense. The reason is that most of the people who are watching your videos actually are not subscribers. For any given YouTube channel, about 80% of the people watching their videos are not actually subscribed. I see this in my own analytics. So that means most of the people I'm talking to are not subscribed. So that's another great point when you're starting out, because your audience is bigger than you think it is. If you only see 50 people who are subscribed to you on YouTube, for most YouTubers, that's 20% of their audience base. And you have a lot more people who are watching your videos but are not subscribed to you. So not only does that mean telling people to subscribe is going to increase the amount of subscribers, because people then make the decision like, hey, I've seen this guy's video a few times, I'm going to subscribe. But it also tells you that your videos are reaching out to more people than you think. Now, these last 2 tips to get more subscribers on your YouTube channel are really going to put you in the right mindset and take critical actions. But before we do that, we have a message from the sponsor of this video. Stephen B. Ryder's new book, From Sit To Gundog, addresses virtually every key step of dog ownership, basic discipline, and hunt training. The book guides the reader along a rich and colorful journey with comfortable prose, practical wisdom, and dog training expertise along the way. You can get your copy and join Steve on the journey from Sit to Gundog on Amazon and Barnes & Noble today. We will also have a link in the description of this video. And we are back with the final 2 ways you can get more subscribers on YouTube. So that 4th way to get more subscribers is to set subscriber goals for yourself. Now, I know that by setting a goal for yourself, that doesn't mean it happens automatically. You have to put in work to make the goal happen. But that's the point. When you put a goal for yourself and you attach a deadline to it, that is going to inspire you to put in more action. Too many people, they know different strategies to make things work. Like, you know how to, like, fitness is a great example. People know how to get stronger. It's no secret. You run, or you do push-ups, or you do biking, or whatever you know makes you stronger. But knowing and actually doing are two different things. So when you set the subscriber goals, saying I want to hit X subscribers by the end of the month, by the end of the quarter, by the end of the year, and make them realistic. You want to look at your data, see how many subscribers you gain each month, think about what extra work you're willing to do to increase your growth, and then make your goals according to that. You can change your goals along the way, but by having the goals in place, it gives you a target to go towards, instead of just hoping your YouTube channel grows and gains momentum and hits the magical 100,000 subscriber goal, which I hear from a lot of YouTubers who are just getting into it. The fifth way to get more subscribers on YouTube is to build the right relationships. Relationships are vital for any platform. There are two different types of ways you want to build relationships for YouTube. The first thing you want to do is comment on people's videos. So commenting on videos like this one, commenting on other YouTubers' videos, because commenting gets you noticed. As people are watching a video, they will scroll through the comment section. If they see a comment that grabs their attention, they may go to your channel, check it out, and even subscribe for future content. So commenting and replying to other people's comments, and not just posting your own comment, that's a great way to grow on YouTube. The second thing you could do, which is going to have a snowball type of effect, the larger your channel is, the more opportunity you have here, is collaborating with other YouTubers. Collaborating with YouTubers again and again is the #1 way that I grow my channel. Anytime I see a spike in my YouTube subscriber growth, it's because of a collaboration that recently went down. So collaborations, you can start by doing a search in your industry, find a whole bunch of YouTube channels, and find the ones that have subscriber bases that are very similar in size to yours. And even if you don't have too many subscribers yet, you can collaborate with people who do have a few hundred subscribers to get a feel and to have that mutual benefit. So just think about all the different people you can collaborate with. Do a search on YouTube, find as many channels as you can, and then reach out to people one by one. Let me know in the comments which strategy you guys enjoyed the most. Speaking of subscribing, make sure you do that if you have not done that already and want more videos just like this one. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, dream big, achieve greatness, and unlock your potential today.